Hey guys, welcome back to Sevenrishi Academy. In this video of our Java tutorial series, we'll dive into Java syntax, the building blocks of any Java program. Here's a simple example of a Hello World program. Now let's break down each and every point. Every Java program starts with a class. Here, public class main is the class, where main is the class name, and every class name start with a capital letter. Here M is capital, and you have to keep in mind that the class name must match the file name. Here the class name is main and the file name is main.java. Now public static void main string args. This is the main method, the entry point of every Java program. When you run your program, the main method is executed first. And inside the main method, we write the statement or the outputs. Here System.out.println hello world. This is how print output in Java. System.out.println is used to display text in the console. This Java program will print hello world in the console. You have to keep in mind three key syntax rules in Java. The first one is case sensitivity. Java is case sensitive. For example, main with capital M and main with small m are treated as two different identifiers. And here, if you write main with capital M, then you will encounter an error while running the program. You have to write a main with small m only. And the second point is semicolon. Every statement in Java ends with a semicolon. If you forget to use semicolon after any statement, then the program will throw a syntax error. Here you can see that a red line showing that an error is occurred. And the third point is curly braces. Curly braces are used to define blocks of code such as classes, methods, loops, and always make sure that your opening and closing braces are balanced. If you forget to close any curly braces, then also you will encounter an syntax error. Now it's practice time. Try this exercise. Create a program with a class called practice. Inside the class, write a main method. And inside the main method, print my name is, then your full name. Compile and run the code and see if you get the correct output. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update.